in a second. Alright guys, got the exhaust done. This is what it sounds like.